I am Aman Chaudhary from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Haridwar, presenting a software which help in making daily school arrangements. Now let me show you how this software making a arrangement. Now we have to select the day. If we don't select the day, an error will be occurred. After then we can add some teachers which are on the leave for which we are making arrangement. We can add up to 15 teachers maximum. Any of the field which you have added for the teachers cannot be empty, otherwise it will raise an error. For adding the teachers, we have to click on the Set Now button, and then after a pop-up window will appear with the arrangement. After filling all the field, just click on Set Now button. The window appeared with the arrangement and the list of teachers which you have added. Here you will find the name of teachers with a separate color and a color dot, which helps in identify the teacher for which the other teacher settled for the arrangement. There you will find a suggestion box for every teacher which contains other possible teachers for this place. There are 3 buttons given at the bottom of arrangement. You will be notified for a failure or success of an action completed by you by these buttons. By clicking on print button, a file will be saved on the desktop of the computer in a printable format for the signature of principal and vice principal. If you save the arrangement by clicking on the save button, then you will able to access the arrangement in the future. Print button also doing the work of save button. If you click on the send button, an email notification will be sent to every of the teacher which present in this arrangement with the full arrangement and their duties. Here you can see the format of the email sent to the teacher's email ID which you have done by clicking on the send button. Here the software is in its initial form with no data saved by user. The main menu of the software for all the options for customizing and access the data. When we click on the Set Now button, an error is raised with the message that no timetable data found. In the older arrangement section, you can access all the arrangement file which you have created in the past by just entering the date of the arrangement. If the software doesn't find a matching arrangement for the given date, an error will be raised. Basically, it is important to submit teacher data before we can submit timetable data and contact details for the teachers. In about section of the software, we have given some social media links and the copyright portion of the software. At the top you will find an input box where you can enter the number of teachers and click on apply to generate the field for the given number of teachers. After submitting subject teachers data, you can also submit timetable data and contact details for the teachers. So let's submit the teacher's details. Here in the timetable section, you will find 3 buttons. For one is to update the previous submitted data, and one is for blank sheet which you can use for new data, and the import button is to import the field Excel sheet. If there is an error in the Excel file which you are importing, the software will give you an error and also give you the information where is the error in the file. Then after fixing all the errors, you can resubmit the file. You can only submit the data through the file downloaded from here, otherwise it will raise an error. If any single field is empty, then when you submit the data, it will raise an error which wants you to fill the empty field. So now we have generated an arrangement and the send notification section is also working. If you want to resend the notification to a teacher for arrangement details. You can send it from here, and it will also give you permission to send the notification to all the teachers. The older arrangement section is also working because we have generated an arrangement today, so that we can check the arrangement by the date. Here it will show you the generated arrangement on the given date. After submitting the data, you will find all the data in the data sections for editing some data or just make a correction. Here I am showing you how the timetable data Excel files looks like. Only some of the columns can be edited through this Excel file. Just see how data validation works in these Excel files. This is the file of the generated arrangement used to print the generated arrangement. This file is created on the desktop of the computer when the arrangement is generated. Here is the code of the software, which is totally developed in Python. This is approx 2000 lines of code. I have separated all the code in the classes